Ciao Bella! Are you making a pizza?
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss. We are in Pizza Fiesta mode today.
Pizza Fiesta mode.
We already made pizza dough, and we're going to show you later on how we're going to make our pizzas. And now,
For our 500th episode.
500 episodes on YouTube. We're having a pizza party extravaganza. And now, what do you think we're going to do with this?
We're going to make a pizza Crumb Boss cake.
That's right, pizza cake, guys.
Okay, I'm looking at my vanilla recipe cake number 47.
Every time you say it, it's a different number.
Yeah, and I
Pay no attention to the girl behind the camera, guys.
Don't. She's annoying.
So yes, we do have vanilla cake. You can use my vanilla sponge cake or the vanilla cake number 2 recipe, whichever you prefer. Use a chocolate cake if you want. You can tell everybody that your pizza got burned. But basically we're using a vanilla cake because this is going to simulate the crust of the pizza. Do you get it?
No.
Yeah, so like you pretend that this is a pizza dough, right?
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is put some tomato sauce on my pizza.
Nice.
Right?
Yeah.
I like a lot of sauce on my pizza.
I don't like sauce.
You don't?
No, it ruins the pizza.
Oh, no. It needs a lot of sauce.
Look at, okay, yeah, look.
All right?
All right.
And then what we like to do is put some grated cheese on our pizza. Grated mozzarella cheese.
Where's the other one?
Well, I'm showing you guys how I did it. This is a block of fondant, guys. That I'm just kind of like grating with a pizza grater to make long strands like cheese.
Oh, cool.
But since it got really kind of dry in this kitchen,
okay, so
I'll show you the ones that I made ahead of time.
of course. Here, let's do that. Yeah, let me move this. Okay.
All right, so I grated my fondant into long shreds to make it look like mozzarella cheese here.
Oh, cool.
All right, and then I can put that on the top. Now, you guys can also do this if you have a bar of white chocolate. That would also work, and some people would prefer to eat white chocolate versus fondant shreds, too.
Yes.
But anyway, there you get the idea.
Okay.
There's my mozzarella cheese.
All right.
Now, I really love black olives on my pizza.
Oh, cool.
I don't know what kind of pizza cake you guys would make, but I like black olives on mine. And I also do like some chopped green peppers.
Oh, cool. Oh, this is, it looks like a pizza.
Right?
Yeah, look at that.
Nice.
That looks awesome.
All right, little extra cheese on there.
A little extra cheese, okay.
And feel free, guys, to make, whatever you want. You like mushrooms on your pizza? You like pepperoni?
Yeah. I like sausage.
All right, so you can make some sausage for your pizza cake. Now, I like a little bit of oregano on mine.
What's that?
This is edible glitter.
Oh, cool. Wait,
Yeah.
do it again. Let me just get it closer. Okay, get it closer. Oh, that's edible glitter. Oh, that's
see
cool.
it falling on there?
Yeah, now you can see it. Yeah, the black.
So that's my little bit of added touch of oregano on my pizza, guys. That's how simple it is to make a pizza cake, right?
Yeah, and I'm filming it from the top. Look at that.
It looks really cool.
It does. So here we have the pizza cake made by the Crumb Boss. Again, this is part of the 500th episode of Crumb Boss TV Celebration, all weekend long, Crumb Boss Marathon. Get it. #1 pastry and baking channel on YouTube. We, we were awarded that giant plaque. And again, subscribe, hang out with us, and enjoy.
Bake your pizza cakes.
Yeah, with who?
Crumb Boss.
Crumb Boss. I hold still and.